Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another video. I know y'all missed me, but y'all know I was coming back and I am back with another set from Shein. It was only $2.30 and baby, it is giving salon quality, so let's get into it. Okay, so y'all know the first thing that we have to do is size our nails to make sure we are picking the right nail sizes for our fingers. So I always go with the thumbnails first because they're a little easy to pick out since they're the biggest nails from the set. And as you can tell from the nail that I just picked up, it was too small for my thumb. There was gaps on the sides. It did not fully cover my natural nail. So I put that nail to the side and I picked up another one that was a little bit bigger, and boom, we got a perfect fit. It is covering my natural nail from sidewall to sidewall. It fits good around the cuticle. There's no spaces and gaps on the sides, so that's how you know you have picked the right size for your natural nail. And what I like to do is spread all the nails out so we can see exactly what the set is working with, how many designs, how many nails have the bling on them, because I want to see if I can make a cohesive set that matches both hands perfectly, because sometimes certain designs or nails with bling are limited in the set, or sometimes a set will have two nails with bling on them but they are for two different fingers. So on one hand you might have a blinged out nail on a thumb, and then the other hand you might have to put the blinged out nail on the pinky. So you kind of want to spread them all out to see if you can make your set cohesive and match. So now that I have my thumbs picked out, I'm trying to see which finger this nail fits on. Usually my ring finger and my index finger are the same size, and that nail actually fits better on my ring finger, so I went ahead and put both of those to the side for my ring finger. And now I'm just trying to see what finger this nail best fits on, and it definitely fit my index finger real good, so I already know we're gonna put those to the side. And then now we need to size our middle finger. That nail that I picked up first was too small, so that was not a good fit, but then I picked up the next size up from that size and it fit my middle finger perfectly. It's covering my complete natural nail, no spaces or gaps on the side like I said. And so we're gonna put those to the side for the middle finger. And now all we have left is the pinky, and as you can see, there's multiple sizes for the pinkies. We have some pinky nails that were kind of small, and then some that were a size up from the smallest, and that is the size that I picked for my pinky nails. And this is the set that I put together out of all the nails. And give it up one time for the set, because this set is just giving everything that it needs to give. Salon quality, the shine, the finish of these nails. I love a set that I don't have to do too much to. I love a set that I can just apply and go. This is definitely one of them sets. So now that we got that out of the way, the next thing we need to do is prep our natural nails. And I'm gonna take the nail file that came with the nails and just gently shave that natural shine from the top of my natural nails. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know this is a very crucial step before applying your press-on nails, and you do this to roughen up the surface and get rid of the shine so that your press-on nails stick better and last longer. If you do not roughen up your natural nail surface and just put them on with that shiny layer that's on top of your natural nails, your nails will not last that long and they will come off a lot sooner than you want them to. So just make sure that you never skip this step. And as you can see, I am not doing this aggressively. You do not want to shave down your natural nail too much, because then you're going to really thin your natural nail out. And we want to take care of our natural nails, and we don't want to thin them out. So just be careful not to shave them down too much. Just gently knock off that shiny surface. And I went ahead and did the same thing to my right hand. And then the next thing I'm going to do is spray my nails down with some alcohol and acetone mixture. I started using this as a nail dehydrator, and it definitely dehydrates the nails pretty well. However, you also have the option to use a nail dehydrator. I personally myself stopped using nail dehydrator because the alcohol and acetone dehydrates my nails just fine. So now that we are done with the prep of our natural nails, it's time to get to the fun part and start applying these nails. This is the nail glue that I am using. It is a brush on nail glue. It is also from Shein, and is one of the best that I have used thus far. And it will be linked in the description of this video along with these nails. So I already applied the nails onto my right hand, and now we are working on our left hand. I always like to apply my nails on my right hand first because I am right-handed, and before I put some nails on that left hand, I gotta get the right hand done, because it is a lot harder to apply nails onto your dominant hand if your non-dominant hand has nails on them. So I always get my right hand out of the way first, and then we can do our left hand smoothly because we right-handed. And I am pressing against the sides of the nails after I applied them as well, because that's the first place your press-ons start to lift when they get old, is from the sides. So make sure you're pressing against those side walls. And the nails that I picked for my index finger have that dangly charm on them, which I think it is just so cute. I love that it's not too extra and it's not too long, and you can still function with a moving charm like that. So let me give y'all some details about how I am applying this glue. As you can see, I'm kind of dabbing it on, making sure that I'm creating a nice bubble of glue on the top of my natural nails. You want to make sure that you can see the glue. You don't want to just paint a thin layer onto your nail, because it is not going to stick. And after you get the glue like that, you line the press-on nail up with your cuticle area. Not directly onto your cuticle, but just beneath it, and then you press down and hold for 30 seconds. So as you guys can see, I did apply a little bit too much glue onto this finger, but it's better to apply too much glue and just clean that excess glue up after you got your nail on, than to not apply enough glue and then try to stick your press-on nail on and it not sticking, and then you having to clean off the excess glue from under the nail and off of your natural nail, and then reapplying the nail again. It's either you got to do that whole process or pick another nail from the other leftover nails, and then you may not have enough leftover nails in the right size to pick a new one. So it's better to try to get it right on the first try. And we're all not perfect. It's gonna be some mistakes, but the more you apply your nails, the more you will get better at putting them on, and you will be a pro. So as you guys saw on my right hand, I did apply some extra bling onto my thumb, because when I was applying my thumbnail, I had a air bubble that was showing way too much right there in that corner where I put that cluster of rhinestones. So even though my left hand thumb came out perfect, I'm putting the stones on that thumbnail so that it matches my right hand. And yes, I am doing this with my finger. I had a tweezer and the tweezer was not tweezering because it was not the correct tweezer to be doing this with. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just pick the rhinestones up with my finger and put them on. It don't matter how I put them on, just as long as they are on. And I kind of dropped the ball a little bit when I was applying these rhinestones, because as you can see on my right hand, The rhinestone clusters are like in a triangle in the corner, and then on my left hand I just kind of did them in a circle. Like the triangle did not happen on my other thumb, but that's okay as long as there's some bling on both of the thumbs. It don't even matter, and ain't nobody gonna notice that. And if somebody point that out, that means they looking too hard and they need to just go on and mind their business. And this is the finished look of the set, and as you can see, they are very much giving salon quality. Looking at these nails, you would never guess that they were only $2.30 press on nails. You would definitely assume that I got my nails done at the nail shop. I got so many compliments on these nails, and I wish y'all could have seen the faces of the people that asked me where I got my nails done at when I told them I ordered these nails from Shein. I mean, jaws was dropped to the floor. Nobody believed that I put these nails on myself. And that's what we want to give every single time, which is why I am here to be your guide. So what I need y'all to do is, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you have viewed this video all the way up until this point, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. The next thing I need you to do is like this video and then drop me a comment and let me know how you feel about these nails. By doing all of that, you are helping my channel grow so much, and I am able to continue to provide you guys with the tutorials and reviews that you guys love and want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.